Hey, my name is Anushri Bhatbade, and I've been with MasterCard for 6 years now. Currently, I'm working as a change manager for BizOps MP MEA program. So, I started my career in IT sector in the admin and operations field, and I came across a lot of people from the technical background during this journey of mine. And I was really intrigued by the way technology could solve so many of our problems and how technology was used on a day-to-day basis to automate mundane tasks, to solve complex problems, and also to provide innovative solutions. So I started exploring the technical field and slowly picked up a couple of tasks that along with my admin role, and it built in a lot of interest in my mind, and that's how I made this move from a non-tech to a tech role. It took a lot of time for me to actually pick up all the technical language that was used while communicating. Or to be honest, initially it used to feel like an alien language to me. Slowly and steadily I started to understand this language, and after every meeting or every time I had to go back to my colleagues and ask them what was discussed in a particular meeting, and they used to help me understand that in layman words. MasterCard is an employee-friendly organization, and it follows a culture of inclusivity and diversity. MasterCard gives that opportunity to every individual to explore various possibilities on the tech side, and also provides personalized mentoring, educational support to its employees to upskill. I was fortunate enough to have mentors in every single stage during my transition, right from exploring the possibilities on the technology side to actually making that choice of the profile that I am in today. To sum it up, MasterCard has been an amazing organization to be a part of, and it has played a major role in my career transition from the non-tech to tech side. And if it was not for my mentors, I wouldn't have been where I am today. To all the women who are aspiring to move into technical roles, my suggestion would be just go for it. Nothing is impossible. Initially, it can be a little overwhelming, but trust me, as you make your way through the particular profile, it is all going to be very easy and like a cakewalk for you. So, to add on all that you need while making this move, first thing is make sure that you have an appetite of learning every single day. Also, learn on the products and applications that you are going to support and how they contribute towards the growth of MasterCard as well as towards the revenue. So if you take into consideration all of these points, I'm sure that it's going to be a great success for you.